So now it's time to add some pages to your website. So how can you do that? You can go to the customizer here on the front page, and then you can go to menus. Now we need to create our first menu. So I click over here and I can give this a name. It can be any name as long as you remember what it's here for. So I call this main menu and I want it to be the primary menu. And I click on next, and now I can add items. So if I click over here, I can add some pages. So first, of course, I want to create a home page. So I say home, I click on add, and now I've created the home page. That's how simple it is. So what else do we want to have on our website? Well, I am creating a web design agency company. I want to offer my service as branding, web design, and marketing. So I want to say something about myself or about us. Well, I like to say about. And what else? I have a few services I want to offer. So I say services. And I have 3 sub-services, and I can combine them in one package, or I can have individual services. So I have 3 of them. The first one is branding. So a new company comes to me and say, hey, I want branding. So we will talk with that company and we will help them to define their branding. Then, of course, web design. The third one, digital marketing. When they have their company, branding, and their website, we're going to do marketing like Google Ads and all that stuff. That's my third service. Then we want to talk about case studies. The clients we had so far, what have we done for them? So I can say portfolio, or what I think sounds better, case studies. I want this tutorial to be as complete as possible. So I will talk about creating a blog. With blog you can get content on your website and be found through the internet, so you can get new clients. And people should get in touch with us, so we can say contact, or what I rather say, get in touch. So you see over here our menu is growing, but I want to have a sub menu below services, because branding, web design, and digital marketing are a sub item of services. So I want to have a drop down over here. How can I do that? Really simple. I drag branding to the right until it snaps again and again. And now when I hover over here, it looks like that. Don't mind the layout yet. We will change